Not every day do you see somebody have this many builds, this big of a cone area.
Me, my 6-year-old did this in my driveway.
Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, wow. Solid little.
Don't judge me.
Oh, that's fine, man.
It's not done. This is the first wall I've ever built. Okay.
The first wall, and you've got 6/18s.
Yeah.
Holy smokes, man.
We're clamping between 24 and 30,000 watts.
Wow.
On the IA80s.
Have you dialed this in yet?
I was trying, but it hurt me. It locked it as is. And I'm not tearing no more out.
Yeah.
So, you know what?
Yes, sir.
Just leave it be.
Yeah. Sixth order?
Sixth order. Okay. Designed by Joel Dam, or Quad Industries, on Team Ain't Loud.
Nice.
It's doing a 61 on the glass right now.
Okay.
Till I fix a few things, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What kind of alternator, battery power, amps?
Right now we're running 2 CES 370s, externally regulated to around 16. The battery bank is at a 80 amp hour EH5. Again, that's about 15.8 volts.
Wow.
Let's see here.
I like your seat, man. Very unique.
I'm gonna fill it with some epoxy.
Yeah. So 24 hertz, I'm guessing 25, 24 hertz range.
The low is 24 hertz.
Okay.
On the money. The top is around 45. Wow. Yeah.
Man, really good.
Yeah,
nice job. I like the bracing. How'd you do that? Man.
I made them tractor links.
Tractor. Oh, that's a good idea.
And you spend the big boy money for the big ones. But it ain't too bad. Sand, paint, labor, nuts, fats and all.
Yeah.
Welded up some brackets, make some magic. You know?
Wow. Very nice job, man.
I appreciate that a lot.
Awesome. Team
Too Loud, Too Bad on
Too
the side
Loud?
of the van.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nice. And your voltage was on point.
Yeah. It holds for clamping up to 30K.
Yeah.
That's just 80 amp hours, dude.
Man.
And actually, the bank was a little out of balance yesterday. I'm like low key watching it.
Really?
Yeah, and I swapped the balancer. It's chill. Thank you.
Not every day do you see somebody have this many builds, this big of a cone area.
Me, my 6-year-old did this in my driveway.
Wow.
Like, this is how it was, dude.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
The triple alt bracket. One alt's in reverse. I don't know if you've seen it.
Really? I haven't seen it yet.
Really, now that I got a wall, I have way more respect for the no walls, man. Like,
Yeah.
Some of them, like, it's nuts. Geez, the 58 was the best I got. The 33 and the 2 subs.
Yeah.
I mean, that was great. But I was blowing shit up.
Yeah.
Getting my friendly.
Thank you very much, man. I'm gonna go check out the alternator and the amps. Thank you very much. That was awesome. And your doors are tearing up.
Well, you won't remove my name on there. Did I give you my name in the video?
Zach. What's your name? Zach?
Zach Smith.
Awesome.
Yeah, Zach Ain't Loud Smith.
Go ahead and give him a like, Zach. Awesome.
Thank you.
I already got that one.
All right, you got the alternator.
Think about that, dude.
Sorry.
Did he scare you on that first drop? He got you, didn't he?
It was pretty good.
If I got to.
Yeah. perfect demo for this build, man. You did a great job.
But yeah, I'll play something low real quick if you want.
Sure, let's do one more. I love this build. This is nice.
Thank you.
Not every day do you see
really
somebody have this
appreciate
many
it,
builds, this big of a cone area.
Me, my 6-year-old did this in my driveway.
Wow.
Like, this is how it was, dude.
Yes, sir. Awesome. like what, 21, 22? 20. Wow.
You're the most accurate person, I swear.
I've heard so many
Yeah,
jokes.
I know, I understand. Man.
My ears feel certain tones and just says ding. Zach?
Zack Smith.
Awesome.
Yeah, Zack ain't loud Smith.
Go ahead and give him a like, Zach. Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.